Computertastic here with another awesome toy unboxing. This one is the Spiderman Homecoming Web Wing and Sling Spidey. I got this for a nephew who's going to the hospital tomorrow, and I figure even though it's just minor surgery, it'll just get him something to play with and hopefully make him feel better, recover faster. So yeah, at the end of this video I will do a little bit of demonstration with it, show you what it does and why I got it for him. And so stay tuned to that video if you want. It's all going to be in this one video, so let's get into this unboxing. Gotta scooch him forward so I can get to him. And back here, this is where things get a little trickier. There's wire ties. I don't want to cut anything but the wire tie. There's one. There's one on his butt. And plop on the floor. Sideman goes. So there's Spidey out of the box. And if you squeeze his legs together, try to get that in frame.
This new suit has all kinds of cool gadgets. Check them out.
Let's turn the light off for this one. And if you look at his hand,
watch out for these webs.
you can get a little web thing, which is pretty cool. He is a plush thing, kind of. He's not really too soft, but he's cuddly enough. The kid I'm getting into it is 5, so it should be okay. Got a soft head, squishy, and yeah, this is pretty much all I really have on this. Is a really cool toy. Does take watch batteries, which is kind of weird, and I don't really like that, but overall, nice little toy. Be great for any kid that likes Spider-Man. Just remember that he is a little bit hard, so if you have kids that like to hit each other with him, it might not be a good idea, but I think he'll be responsible for it. It's his Spidey, and hopefully he'll take care of it. So yeah, this concludes the unboxing of the Web Wing and Sling Spidey. Got this from Kmart for $12, so not too bad. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Remember, if you like it, to give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Good night, I am Computertastic. Have a great rest of your day.